Welcome to 1735 North Paulina, Unit 501 in the Pack Lofts in Bucktown. This building is amazing. It's one of the premier buildings in Bucktown, and this unit is absolutely spectacular. This is a classic Chicago brick and concrete loft. It is an expansive unit. It has 3 bedrooms plus a den and 2.5 bathrooms. You have a gorgeous chef's kitchen with new quartz countertops, a lovely glass tile backsplash, and a high-end French oven for all of you who cook. You're gonna absolutely love working in this kitchen. It's an open entertaining space, so you have the living and formal dining room right in the main living area with these gorgeous hardwood floors throughout, and a very, very charming powder room that's been redone right off of the main living area. There's a huge primary suite with a walk-in closet with custom closet systems and a gorgeous bathroom with a separate tub and shower and double vanity. It's marble, it's white, it's all very current and bright. We have these absolutely stunning pear glass chandeliers. They are beautiful. They're throughout the unit. There's several of them, and they're really standout pieces. This is a corner unit, so it has tons of light, and there are no other buildings this height around it. So you have sweeping views of the city, of the downtown skyline, and there's light in every single room. In addition to the primary suite, you have 2 other good-sized bedrooms, both with a Jack and Jill bathroom that you can walk through, and those bedrooms share that bathroom. And then you also have a den on the side of that, which is a great place for an office or your Peloton workout area. There's also a lot of closet space in this unit, and not only a parking spot, but 2 parking spots in a private garage. Lots to love about this unit. Wonderfully run building. It's in the heart of Bucktown. You're right off the 606 trail, and you are very close to all kinds of wonderful restaurants, entertainment, and shopping. Everything that we love about Bucktown is right outside your door.